Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVSAUDIO in Roselle, New Jersey. This one's ready to go. So this was the little amp that could build. Came in with a JL Audio 400 watt amp. Now we upgraded to 2 Sound Digital Evo X 800s. Now this thing gets down. So this one's all set. Upgraded to JL Audio 400 to 2 Sound Digital Evo X 800s. NVSAUDIO custom crossover to protect the ST25 tweeters. All the wiring's nice and neat. Factory radios flash. DSP's nicely tucked next to the speaker pods. We have the Ground Zero yellow basket coax. Looking nice and factory. Ground Zero coax in the lowers. We removed these rings. We sealed off the multiple holes that were punched in the bags. We made our own custom rings and moved the tweeter and the woofer to the back of the bag. So now the customer has all his bag space back instead of having the woofer sitting up here. And then we cut the face of the bag completely to give the woofer room to do its job, not just punching 1/2-inch holes in the bag. Sure you can't hear it on the video, but the mid bass is strong from these 6.5s.